Last week, I showed you how to make money online without affiliate marketing. In today's video, I want to show you how to make money online step by step with affiliate marketing. I'm going to explain exactly what affiliate marketing is, how to do it the right way, and how to get in front of highly targeted people. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so one of my favorite things to do is to make money with affiliate marketing. I like affiliate marketing because I don't have to worry about products. I don't have to worry about returns or customer service. I simply go out and find high quality products and promote them. Now, most people think about affiliate marketing wrong. Most people think that they've got to go out and promote and tell people to buy. But in reality, affiliate marketing is simply connecting a solution to a problem. There are thousands of solutions out there, and you need to go and basically connect the two. And you're going to use traffic from different social media sites or YouTube or blogging to get in front of those people that have a problem. And so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do and how to do it step by step. So for the purposes of this video, we are going to use the example Bluehost. Bluehost is a web hosting platform, and they have an affiliate program that will pay you $65 per sale. Now, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go down to the bottom of the screen and click on affiliates if you want to promote this program. But in general, there are thousands of different affiliate programs out there. If you want to find an affiliate program based on your niche or your interest, you can simply come up to the search bar and you can type in affiliate programs for and whatever your niche is. It can be basket weaving, bookkeeping, woodworking, as you see on the screen. But we're just going to use Bluehost. Now that we have our affiliate program out the way, we need to start thinking about different ways to get in front of our targeted audience. We really need to figure out what questions they have, what problems they have when it comes to needing a software or a website like Bluehost. So what I've done is I've created my patented pending inverted pyramid that really goes into step by step how you can start making money with affiliate marketing and Bluehost in this example. So at the very beginning, people are happy, okay? They've got these smiley faces. There are no worries, okay? And let's say each person represents 1 million people. There are over 8 billion people in the world, and 4 billion of them have access to the internet. And they only come to the internet when they have a problem. And that problem can be they're unhappy with their current circumstances. They want to make money online. Maybe they want a website. And that's where you would create content to help them with that process. So they're happy, they're satisfied, and then maybe one day they get the idea that they want to start a blog, but they don't know where to begin. And so what they're doing is they're coming to the internet because now they're unhappy, and they're looking up something like how to start a website, how to start a blog. So if we come over to YouTube, and you can do this on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram or LinkedIn, wherever you want to, because traffic is abundant. It's not infinite, but traffic is abundant. There are millions of people, if not billions of people, at all of these different locations basically asking the same question. And they're asking questions like how to start a blog, okay? And so as you can see here on the screen, there are millions of views with people asking this exact same question, but they're not just asking that question. Maybe they're asking how to start a yoga blog, okay? How to start a yoga blog. And you're gonna see here, once again, there are thousands of people asking these questions, how to start a yoga blog. In fact, this second video here is my video where people are coming and watching these videos. Now, you may say, hey, you only have 23 views or 25 views on this video, but the number of views aren't important. What's important is I'm getting in front of a highly targeted group of people that have a problem, and actually, they're looking for a solution. You can say how to start a website. So we can get rid of website like this. How to start a website. How to start a website for a plumber. If we hit enter there, you're going to see once again, people are coming to the internet and they're asking all of these questions. And what you're going to do on the how-to side is you're going to simply create a step-by-step guide on how to start a website or a blog or a website for a small business. And in one of those steps is they need to get web hosting. And you're going to recommend with your affiliate link for them to use Bluehost. You can put your link in the description for them to click and buy. You can send them to an email list, which I recommend and prefer for them to click and buy. So you can see here at this first level, and you can see it's the widest margin because these people are asking, these are the most people in this funnel. And what will happen is people will they'll opt out. So maybe they'll go and they'll realize that they maybe don't want to start a blog or they don't want to start a website, or they'll come all the way down here and they'll click on your affiliate link and buy. And this is basically what happens at every single step. They're asking how to, how much, how many, basic who, what, when, where, why, how type of stuff at the very top. Lots of people are doing it. People are opting out and making selections. Okay, so that's step number one. The next thing that people are asking is best X for Y, or even best X under Y. So for example, if we come back over to YouTube, they're asking best web hosting for, and you can see people are asking best web hosting for WordPress, for e-commerce, for bloggers, for affiliate marketers. So if we look at the e-commerce one, people, again, they have an idea of the problem and the solution. Now, if I go back here, up here, people are asking how to because they know they have a problem, but they don't know they have a solution. When you come down here, the further you come down here, the more people understand about the problem and solution. And so the more targeted their questions are going to be. And that's why they're asking best web hosting for e-commerce. If we take a look here, 5.4 thousand views from just 8 months ago. He only has 3,000 subscribers. But you can see here that people are asking this question, and you provide a list of the 5 or 7 best web hosting platforms for e-commerce. You get your affiliate links and put them in the description of your videos. People will click on those links and make a purchase. And you're simply going to do this over and over again. Now, oftentimes, affiliate marketing is confusing and frustrating for people because, again, they just think they need to promote. What you're doing is you're solving problems, and you're using different platforms like YouTube and Instagram and TikTok as your vehicle to get in front of the people that have the problems. And if we come back over to our whiteboard, see, as you can see, best X for Y, once again, some people are going to opt out. Maybe they're going to click on a different affiliate link. Maybe they realize that they don't want to do e-commerce anymore, but some people are going to buy. So you're going to include your affiliate links at that level. Next, as people gain more information and knowledge, they have a better understanding of the problem and solution, they are going to ask questions like X versus Y. So if we come back over here, we can type in Bluehost versus, like this, and you can see people are asking Bluehost versus HostGator, SiteGround, GoDaddy. If we click on this one, you're going to see there are less views, but these people have a very good understanding of the problem and solution, and they just want to make sure that they're making the best decision for them, their money, and their family. But you can see here, this top result here from just a year ago, 11,000 views, only 9,000 subscribers. Once again, 1.1 thousand views, 16,000 subscribers, but you're in front of a highly targeted person that knows the problem and the solution. So much of marketing is getting your target audience to understand what the problem is and the solution, and to furthermore understand that the solution that you're providing is the final solution for them, that they can finish solving their problems, or they won't have any more problems afterwards. So then, as you can see here, we do X versus Y, and once again, some people are going to opt out, and then some people are going to buy. People are buyers at every single level. And then the final smallest portion, because this is the smallest group of people, are simply review videos. Now, a lot of people actually do these review videos wrong. So if we type in Bluehost review, and again, you can do this for any product or service out there. You can do this for arts and crafts that you find over at Hobby Lobby. You can do this for vacuum cleaners or appliances. It works for everything. So we can type in Bluehost review like this, and you're going to see, look at this top result, 63,000 views from a year ago, 5.3 thousand views from a year ago, where people are simply reviewing Bluehost. Now, if you want to help yourself out just a little bit when it comes to Bluehost, you might want to pick a type of web hosting. For example, they have different types of web hosting. They have shared, dedicated, and VPS. What we could do to get in front of an even more targeted group of people is we could do Bluehost shared hosting review, just like this. And as you can see, 5.6 thousand people, only 18,000 subscribers, 63,000 views. The one below it, 1.8 thousand views. And again, these people are creating these review videos because they realize that their target audience understands the problem and solution. Up here, they know that they have a problem, prod will say, but no solution, no SOL. Down here, they know they have a problem like that, prod and solution. This is where you want to be as a marketer, but people are buying at every single level. Now, as I mentioned just a few minutes ago, most people do the review videos wrong. Most people will just click on or create a video about reviews and tell you that this product is the greatest product known to man, when in reality, a good review video will talk about the pros and cons of the product, but you can use the cons as an additional selling point. For example, if I was promoting Bluehost and for whatever reason their process to create a web hosting and domain name is incredibly hard and frustrating and takes forever, you could include a free course as a bonus to show people how to start their domain name and website step by step. You offer them a free course as a bonus that they will get access to if they sign up using your affiliate link. That can actually help make your life a little bit easier. And bonus points if you show them how to do other things, maybe add premium plugins. Maybe you give them a few plugins that will help them make their life much easier. If you offer these types of bonuses, maybe you give them a WordPress theme, maybe you give them a course showing them how to sign up for Bluehost and then get web hosting and then install WordPress. You show them how to do that. That's going to help strengthen your sale because you're ultimately selling. That's going to help you strengthen your sale when it comes to the review videos. But just to recap, people at the very top here are happy because they don't know they have a problem and they don't know they have a solution. They enter in here when they have a problem. That's why they're upset. They realize they have a problem, but they don't know what the solution is. As they move down here, they realize what the problem and solution is, and you can make money at every single step. And this works for any product. If you're selling stand mixers, if you're selling security cameras, sound bars, you name it, microphones, best microphones for YouTubers or best microphone for your YouTube channel, this can work every step of the way. But the key is you are not just promoting a product or service, you are connecting a solution to a problem. The solution is the product that you're an affiliate for, and the problem is they want a website, or they don't know how to start a website, or they want the best 6 websites or best 6 web hosting platforms for beginners. And then they want to obviously compare Bluehost versus something else. But this is affiliate marketing step by step. This will work for you if you are consistent and persistent enough. All too often, people stop with affiliate marketing because they are sold the dream that you can make $1,000 in your first 2 weeks of affiliate marketing, when in reality, it takes consistent and persistent effort over a long period of time to achieve the level of success that you're looking for. Now that you know how to make money online with affiliate marketing, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.